Welcome to the Rustic Cabin. This video is so we can help you guys pack so your trip can go as smoothly as possible. Right next to the cabin there's a picnic table, and this is the view. That is a little orchard that we just put in. And you're right next to the RV sites over here. All right, you've got your own fire pit as well there, and the woodshed is just a short walk away. But let's get you inside the cabin. So there's no indoor plumbing, but we have remedied that the best we can. Outdoor seating area. There we go. Some hooks in case you have some wet stuff. Oh, and here is the little dishwashing station and basins. There's a hose and spigot on the other side. All right, let's get in here. Okay, we provide the linens. So we provide all the bed linens, which are always cleaned, all of them. And then a couple bath towels, face towels, hand towels, which are down here. We also have DVD and TV. We do not have reception here and we don't have Wi-Fi, but we do have a little DVD library in these drawers. All right, so there's some extra storage up there. Okay, here's a little dining table and the kitchen area. We've got a Culligan machine in here just for cooking and drinking. That way you have drinking water even though there's not any indoor plumbing. Little fridge, microwave, oven. We're always going to have a roll of paper towels, and we'll always have the cooking and eating utensils, and of course coffee pot. There's also, we try to keep coffee grounds in here, salt, pepper, some creamers. This is all stuff that we try to keep in here, but it can go pretty quick. We'll always have the kitchen linens and dish soap and hand soap. Always have those. There's your eating utensils, and in here is pots and pans. All right, now upstairs, you just pull this down, and you have to be careful when you do it because you don't want it to fall on you. There's a little notch in the side, which I'll show you, that once it clicks, it's safe. Right there. You gotta check it to make sure it's safe. All right, so up to the loft area, we've got some AC in here. We do not have heat. We use electric heaters as it gets a little chillier out. But here is the upper loft. This can fit a twin size air mattress, no problem. There's one of the little heaters. There's the AC. And up here is some extra storage for whether it's pop or food or anything like that. Another couple things that we try to keep in here to keep the bugs at bay, and try to keep a table linen for the picnic table. Depends on whether or not that'll be in here, but we do try. And right behind it is the outhouse, so it's not too far away. Just a quick couple steps and then you are there. But that is our rustic cabin.